We recently started getting a bad smell in our sitting room. He traced to a radiator in the room which seemed to be leaking. We replaced the radiator, but the smell is there and getting worse. When we go closer to the radiator, the smell seems to be coming from the pipes attached to the radiator. Any ideas?
Hi, I'm Mike and I have 20+ years of experience as a plumber. I'll be glad to assist you today. That sounds pretty frustrating. Especially if you change the radiator to fix it. Any chance it is still leaking? Or could it be coming from another leaking radiator? Can you describe the smell? Rotten eggs, maybe?
Hi, Mike.
Hi to you.
Hi, Mike. The smell is like rotten eggs or sewerage. It is coming from the one corner where the radiator is connected. The smell is all over the room but is coming from the corner where the pipes are connected to the radiator.
Any chance it's still leaking really slowly?
I can't see anything that looks like it is still leaking as all around the pipes are dry. When we get down close, it actually smells like a gas leak, but we don't have gas. We have pulled back the carpet, cleaned all around the area, and even steam cleaned the carpet.
What was the reason for replacing the radiator? Had it corroded?
Yes, initially we couldn't see anything, but the radiator sits behind a sofa, and when we went looking for the smell, we pulled back the sofa and down one side of the radiator was rusty and had the rust residue all down the side. We got a plumber and we got the whole system drained and flushed through and got a new radiator.
Anaerobic bacteria produce hydrogen sulfide as a waste product, and it is this that collects in your radiators. Hydrogen sulfide has the characteristic smell of rotten eggs. That bacteria is what ate the radiator. I would talk to plumber about what he flushed the system with and find out if it was something that will kill the bacteria. Anaerobic bacteria is a very hardy bacteria, especially considering that it stays alive in the heat of the radiator while other bacteria cannot survive in that environment. That being said, I am still a little bit at a loss as to why the smell is still there. The only thing I can think is there may be a leak beneath the floor, or you are just smelling the remainder of what leaked in the first place. That took me a bit to type. Had to look up how to spell anaerobic.
Yes, that is what we can't understand. We did think that it was the remnants of the original leak, but it is actually getting worse. We sealed up the door into the sitting room as the smell was starting to spread. We then entered the room from the outside patio door, and the smell is overpowering. The plumber is coming back tomorrow, but he did say to us that he is at a loss of what the problem is. Is this dangerous in the event of breathing in whatever it is?
It could be a bit bad to breathe for sure. Is there a bath nearby or beneath?
No, this is all downstairs in. If it is a leak, should I expect to see moisture, or is it a gaseous leak, i.e. I won't see anything?
Not necessarily. Would there be a wet spot? The best way I can suggest you test for a leak is lay some paper towels on the floor under the piping. If it isn't wet because it evaporated, it will at least stain it. That would explain a lot, and I can't think of any other reason the smell would still be there. The other thing you can do is bleed the radiator a bit. If it smells, there it is. That would suggest there is a leak in bacteria.
Okay, we'll try this. Thanks for your help.
You are very welcome. Thank you also. I look forward to the solving of the mystery. I am almost certain that is it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.